How to create 3D image in Bing App 2024. In this video, what you're going to want to do is go over to bing.com/images/create where we're going to go ahead and see how you can create 3D images. So here in the image prompt, what you're going to do is you're going to write 3D image of a UFO flying over the Eiffel Tower. Okay, well, let's go ahead and write that. You're going to go ahead, click on create. And once you click on create, as you can see, it takes your prompt and it starts creating your suggestion. And obviously you wrote 3D. So once we do that, look at that. So that is going to be a 3D image of a UFO flying over the Eiffel Tower. And obviously you're going to get variations of it. So you can see which variation you like to choose. And basically that is about it. That is how you're going to create 3D images in Bing app. So thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Drop down a like, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.